Good morning, guys. It is about 6:30 in the morning, and Catherine and I have to go water plants. Then when everybody comes in, the guys are gonna go finish up the project, and then Catherine and I and Kenna will be going to do a small little project. First, we gotta put a different wall on this. Gotta get the water tank filled up. Morning.
Good morning. I know, right? It's chilly this morning.
Yeah.
You spraying too? I was wondering where you went.
I was in the garage. This is what we do, guys. Early in the morning, water the plants. Alright, so we are back, and just got done watering plants, and the crew is all coming in. We haven't seen Jordan yet.
Go figure.
Usually he's sleeping in the car, but alright, so we're gonna unload this trailer. The guys,
You're late.
What?
You're on time, you're late.
Do you want me to go spray first, or should I?
yeah, go
Okay.
spray first. Yep, go spray first and then head out there. We're back out here at the site, and look at it, screeded with sand. So,
I was like, oh, did I remember the Donald clumps?
Alright, so the girls are getting the girls started on this project, and then I gotta head back out to check up on the guy.
Bye, Chant. Have a good life.
Alright, so we cut all them suckers around the tree. We are here to get 35 plants, hostas and astelbes. We need 15 of these.
Okay.
And then what was, is there a red pot? But I got three of the white ones, right?
Yeah, he brought 3. Quick fire.
All done, guys. 35 plants, all in. The only thing left is to water. Kenna, we can put everything up except the blower. We can pick everything up except the blower. Put it in the truck. Got it all watered. Got it all watered, guys. So there you have it. So we're gonna blow this off, blow the sidewalks off, and then Kenna's gonna take lunch, and then I've got a dentist appointment. Been one busy day, and I just got done looking at a project, and it's about 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. and it's about I'm about half hour away from home, and I went to get my teeth looked at because it's been hurting, and come to find out I need a root canal. I don't want to just pull my teeth out. So we're gonna try to save it, and yeah, so it wasn't fun. I mean, they didn't, I don't like the dentist in the first place, but you know, there's a lot of things I don't like in life, but it's gotta get done. So yeah, and then once I got done, then I came and did the landscaping bit here, and now I'm head back home, and once I get home, I'm gonna load up I'm gonna get the skid loader trailer and go pick up the skid loader. Nick is just finishing. I think Nick, Jordan had to leave early. Nick is he's still out there finishing up the project, doesn't have that sidewalk project. He doesn't have much left, or the sidewalk and all that other stuff that's out there. He doesn't have much left out there. So I'm gonna go back now and go get all the material and stuff. So yeah, but definitely need get that plug fixed so that we can haul the skid loader trailer with the dump truck. So yeah, it'll be late by the time I get home tonight. It's nothing new. So I guys just got out here and it's a little bit after 7 p.m. Nick is just finishing up. Okay, I'll grab some black dirt over there. Okay. Yeah, it looks nice. Alright guys, there it is. All done. So, we seeded everything. That's all. The stairs will be put in by another contractor. It's going to be made. And this here, they'll do all the plantings themselves. So guys, got them all done here. It's about almost 9 o'clock, I think 8:39. Nick and I is just finishing up. So yeah, there you have it guys.